Hi, my name is Dr. David Lee, physical therapist, and these are some exercises to help you guys out with your upper back pain. This is the isometric lateral neck flexion exercise. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and bring our head to the side, and then we're going to go ahead and put our hand right next to our head on the temple. You're going to gently push into your hand. You should feel the muscles on the left side working in this position. Hold that for about 15-20 seconds. And then you're going to switch sides. Go ahead and bring your head down. And with this, make sure that your chin is down. Don't let your chin creep up like that. So keep your chin down. And then hand on the head. Push into the hand. Hold that for 15 to 20 seconds. You're going to do about 10 times each side. Hold. Keep the chin down. And go back and forth. This is your neck flexion and extension exercise. We're gonna do this from the seated position. So with the neck flexion, you're gonna go ahead and bring your head down, put your thumb in the bottom of your chin here, and then you're gonna push into the chin with your thumb. So you should feel the muscles in the front of your neck working here. Hold that for about 15-20 seconds. And then for extension, you're gonna go ahead and bring your head back. So I don't recommend bringing your head all the way back. So come to about neutral here and then push into your hand. Hold that for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then you're just gonna alternate between the two. So down again, 15-20 seconds. And then up here. So remember, you're not bringing your head all the way up. You're just bringing your head back, and then you're pushing into your hand with your head. This next exercise is to help strengthen our postural muscles. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lie down on our stomachs. From here, you're going to keep your head in the right position, so you don't want to extend your neck this way as you're doing this. So keep your forehead down onto the floor. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and raise up our opposite arm and opposite leg. But before we do that, we want to make sure that our shoulders are engaged. So think about bringing the shoulders down, keeping the stomach tight. And as we raise our leg, think about squeezing your butt. And as we raise our arm, think about engaging the upper back. So you're going to hold that, keep the stomach tight, and then switch. Squeeze your butt, keep your stomach tight, shoulders engaged. Come back down. So you're going to hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then you're going to do about 10 reps a piece on each side. I'm going to go over how to mobilize your thoracic spine on the foam roller. So what we're going to do is we're going to lie perpendicular to the foam roller. We're going to put our hands behind our head to support our head. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to work in the upper back, so right below the neck, and to about right here, right where the ribs end. So we're going to start, we're going to find a tight area. So if you feel some tenderness, you're going to start right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring our chin down, head back into our hands, and then you're going to go ahead and push down into the foam roller. So you're going to do that repeatedly here. You should feel a nice stretch in the upper back. If it's too much, just kind of go into a lesser range of motion until it loosens up. And then as that loosens up, it gets less tender, you're going to go ahead and move up or down a segment. And then you're going to work that segment out. And the whole time you want to make sure that your stomach is tight so you don't arch your back too much. So keep your stomach engaged and then push down. As that loosens up, you can go ahead and roll down again. Spend some time on the ones that feel the most restricted to you. As you spend a couple minutes on there, they should loosen up and you should be able to get further into the range of motion. Keep pushing back with your head into your hands. So this exercise is called Scapula Squeezes. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use the resistance band. You can attach it to the door or the wall. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to get into the position first. So we want to make sure that our head's in the right position, shoulders down, chest up, stomach tight. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab the band and you're going to pull from your upper back. So think about bringing the shoulder blades down and together. and you should feel that working the upper back. So you're gonna hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then relax. Do about 10 to 15 reps of that. Relax. You should feel the upper back working. Relax. This exercise is the low row. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the band down to a lower level this time. From here, you're gonna go ahead and get into the right position again. So squeeze your shoulder blades back, keep your head back, stomach tight. And then from here, you're gonna start out with straight arms. Keep your shoulders down, chest up, and then go ahead and pull back. You should feel the upper back working here. If you pull like this with your shoulders rounded, you won't feel the upper back working as much. So make sure that you get into the right position first. So shoulders down, chest up, and then pull, and you'll feel the upper back working a lot more in this position. Okay, so you can hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds at the end. Come back nice and slow. Do 10 to 15 reps, and about 3 sets of that. This exercise is called the wide row. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our bands here. Think about bringing your palms up towards the ceiling as you grab the bands. And then from here, wanna make sure that we're in the right position. So head back, shoulders down, stomach engaged. From here, we're gonna keep our arms straight, and you're gonna pull with the upper back muscles. Okay. Wanna make sure that your shoulders aren't rounded like this. Wanna make sure that your shoulders are down as you pull back. Don't let the back arch too much, because then the upper back won't be working as much. So make sure that your stomach is tight. Make sure that your shoulder is down, and then pull out. Okay. To make this a little bit easier, you can bend the elbows a little bit, and that makes the exercise a little bit easier. And those are some exercises to help you guys with your upper back pain. If your symptoms continue to persist, please go ahead and consult your medical professional.